Today we are discussing about operating systems. So let's start without wasting our time. As you can see, the definition operating system is a software program that controls the overall activities of a computer. A computer is useless without an operating system. A computer cannot be used or cannot work without a operating system. For example, if you have a car which has petrol but no driver, then the car cannot move from one place to another. Just as a driver is a must to run the car, similarly an operating system is a must to run or work with computers. Operating system does have to perform several functions, like it has to control the hardware. The operating system has to control all the parts of computer that enables them to work properly. And the second is running software, like the operating system runs application software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, Paint, Strikes, and games, and much more, etc. The next thing is operating system also helps in booting. Booting is the process of starting and restarting the computer. Booting is of two types: cold booting and warm booting. When a computer is switched on, the process of booting is called cold booting. And when the computer process to restart a computer that is already on is called warm booting. User interface. Operating system also gives the user interface. Interface provides simpler ways for the user to use the things. User interacts with operating system through its user interface. It then controls how you enter data and how information is displayed on screen. Nowadays, most of the operating system use two types of interfaces: CLI and GUI, command line interface and graphical user interface. So let's first discuss about command line interface. With command line interface, the user interacts with the operating system by typing commands with the keyboard to perform specific tasks. And in graphical user interface, the user interacts with the operating system by using mouse to access windows, icons, and menus. Most users today work with GUI or graphical user interface. Now next topic is types of operating system. There are many operating system in today market. Most popular is Windows. Windows is the most popular. It is based on GUI operating system developed by Microsoft. There are different versions of Windows, like Windows 98, XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 to Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest operating system of Windows. It is also called the successor of Windows 8.1. It is developed by Microsoft, and Windows 10 uses GUI, graphical user interface, in which pictures, images, icons, and menus are used to give commands. Windows 10 is designed for multiple devices, including desktop, laptops, and mobile phones. So this was the information about operating systems. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for next video. Bye bye.